Standing alone is better than being around people who don't value you. Either it's your friends or your family members. When you have got a problem, you try to tell them because you have got a hope that they can help you, they can give you a better advice, but they don't help you with anything or to give you an advice. Only thing they can do is to mock you, laughing at you, or to tell everyone about your problem. Next time, don't tell them. You have to learn a lesson. It's better to be alone, even on family members. They don't value you or to look at you like you are their member. They don't care because you don't have money. Family members of nowadays, they want money. If you don't have money, you are not their relatives nowadays because the important is money, or you don't buy groceries for them. Forgot about the part of that family. You have to stand alone. You have to know that you don't have family. Then people, when you stop giving them money, you stop buying groceries for them, they don't value you. At that time, you are in tough times. They don't care about you. They are starting mocking you. They forgot that at the time your things are good, you are doing everything for them. Guys, family, they can forget when you are impressing them, buying groceries, giving them money. Next time, your things are not good in your life now because life is upside down. Your things are down, or maybe you lost your job. They starting mocking you, mocking you. I don't understand about family members. It's the same way as friends. Friends nowadays, they want people who have got something money, especially your friend. Maybe you have got friendship with that person for many years. At that time, your things are not good. But your friend is seeing other people who have got better life than your life. So your friend starting mocking you, seeing you like you are nothing because of the new friends. Your friend is starting gossiping about you with their new friends, or his new friends, doesn't care about you. You are nothing because you don't have the kind of life or a luxury life other new friends they have. You know that your friend can look down at you like maybe you are nothing or something, because the importance of friendship is about giving each other advices most of the time. But when you see your friend is jealous about your relationship, or is jealous about your partner, or always mocking you about your partner, but when your friend have got something bad on her relationship, you try to give her a good advice, but your friend doesn't give you a good advice because she is jealous because of your relationship sometimes.